Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm at the airport and I am off to the Philippines, guys. I am visiting family and it has been years since I've been, so I'm going to take you all with me and I cannot wait to show you everything. And yeah guys, I'm going to take you all along with me. And yeah, so I've got my little man here, I'm going with my brother, and yeah, I cannot wait to love doing my nighttime skincare when I'm on the plane. Cabin air can be super drying, so I like to keep my skin hydrated and fresh throughout the flight. Right now I'm using the Jet Essentials set by Summer Fridays. It includes the Skin Soothing Hydration Mist, Deep Hydration Skin, Jet Lag Mask, eye patches, and it's just on my quick in-flight routine to keep my skin moisturized and calm, glowing while I travel. Super rough. Like, I've been on a 12-hour flight and now I'm in Hong Kong. Like, oh my god, my makeup. But yeah, now I'm waiting for next connection to the Philippines, guys. So I'm really excited. Weather is super humid here in Hong Kong, and yeah guys, it's just, you can see there's a plane taking off just there. So yeah guys, it is such a long journey. Oh my god, but you know what, my little man, he's been amazing throughout the whole flight. So yeah guys, I will see you while I'm in the Philippines. Loving planes. What do you see? You see an airplane. Good job. So guys, I am about to board, getting ready to board to the Philippines. Woohoo! You can see here, that's the plane that we are going on. This is such the best plane. Cathay Pacific. Telling you, even though it's a long journey, how many hours, it's a really good airline, guys. the Philippines now. Arrived in the Philippines.
Hello, video.
Hello.
10 years, you're not a pilot. Now you're a pilot.
2016.
How's your flight? To be a pilot.
We arrived at the hotel. It's here. We have arrived. Oh. Wow, it's nice. Oh, thank you. Checked in the hotel. I've got my family here. Auntie, my cousin there. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love the marble. Really nice, guys. It's like tastes like iced tea. Really nice tea, this one. The brother here. We are shattered, guys, so we are just chilling. Got my family here. Yeah, like really happy to be here. I am half Filipina, so yeah, this is on my mum's side, but yeah, really happy to be here. Hello, hi. Good afternoon, hi. Wow. Wow, so you've got all the food here, guys. Very great hospitality here. Mommy's hand. Oh. Nice.
The elevator.
Oh, it's nice. John, I like the. That's it. Oh, lift.
You're stuck in the lift.
Wow.
Floor selected is a restricted floor.
Oh. No, we can't go.
Oh, John don't like getting stuck in the lift.
Oh, we can't go.
Can you not press the button? John.
Oh.
Wow. Right, here we are. What number? What number? Oh, there he is. There's here. There he is. Right, we are heading to the check-in room. Right, this one here. Oh, this one. And we're about to go. Thank you. Wow, here we are, guys. Wow. Now check it. What is it? Wow, what is it? It's nice. It's nice. I like it. John, do you like it? Wow, look at the view. What is it? Check the view, guys. How nice is this? This is nice. Wow, look at that. Yeah. What do you see? Nice view.
LRT.
Wait.
Yeah.
What?
Jump.
What did you say?
Train, yeah.
Oh, the train. Oh, don't jump in the train. What's that way, Brian? Is that Makati? What's that city? Is that Makati? Or
Pasay.
oh, Pasay. Ah, okay. Ah, wow, it's nice. So guys, checked in. We are gonna show you some of the little things. So it comes with a kettle. We got some 2 waters here, And this view is absolutely amazing, guys. So that one down here is Pasay City. You got all the cars here. Wow, Caterpillar. He loves playing the Caterpillar game, guys. So yeah, as you can see, oh my god, loving all the palm trees. It's just so nice to finally be here. It's been such a long time since I've been here, guys. Very happy to be back. I've had no sleep whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, got the car, got some slippers here. So, and here is like a safe box. You also have like a mini fridge. Oh, actually, I will put these here. Keep my water nice and cool. But yeah, as you can see, brother is fast asleep. And yeah, guys, I'm absolutely loving it. Got a lovely, nice plasma TV going on here. So guys, yes, I am loving this here, and you've got the shower. Check this out, guys. How nice is this? And it comes with these cute little mini shampoos and conditioner, which is super cute. So yeah, this is the bathroom. And yeah, absolutely, guys, just really ignore the look. I'm really so tired. I came from, I don't know how many hours of flight I've just came. But yeah, and you got your hair dryer. And what are these? Let's go. We've got a shower cap, 2 shower caps. We also have 3 toothbrush. That is really nice. Yep. Oh, 2 toothbrush and a comb. So that is super nice. Yeah, some soap. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoy the vlog. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more, because I'm going to share so much of my journey in here in the Philippines, because this is like my second home here in the Philippines. You know, my mom is from the Philippines, so nice to be here with the family and just really catch up family quality time. And my little one right now, oh, there he is. What are you doing? But yeah, we're going to relax, catch some food, get some food, and then yeah, I do speak a little bit of Tagalog. Okay, I'm not fluently just yet, but I do speak a little bit of Tagalog. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video for more Filipino vlogs. Bye.